Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve is 7 power x times 7 power minus 1 equal 28 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 7 power x times 7 power minus 1 equal 28. So we can write this as 7 power x times 1 by 7 equal 28. As per exponent rule, x power minus a, we can write it as 1 by x power a. Now, this 7 power, if I'll take common the 7, so it becomes 7 power x times 1 by 7. Here 28. That means we have multiplied 7 with both sides. So this will cancel out. So 7 power x equal 7 times 28. We can write it as 7 times 4. So 7 power x equal 7 power 2 times 4. We can write it as 2 times 2 power 2. So 7 power x equal, we can write it as 7 times 2 as 14 whole square. Now if I'll take log on both sides, log 7 power x equal log 14 power 2. As per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So it's x log 7 equals 2 log 14. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 7, so x equal 2 log 14 by log 7. So x equal 2 log 14. I can write it as 7 times 2 by log 7. Now as per log rule, log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So x equal 2 log 7 plus log 2 by log 7. So x equal 2 log 7 by log 7 plus log 2 by log 7. So this will cancel out. So x equal 2 plus log 2 with base 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.